going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for watching another video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Right now we're about to go meet up with the homie Jason. You guys seen him before a bunch of times in the vlogs. He's got that individual Monte Carlo Blue E92 M3 supercharged. He also has an F80 M3 individual Atlantis Blue. Super clean builds on both of his cars. I think the E92 has HREs and the F80 has BBSs. Rich! That's rich right there, guys. Anyways, we're gonna go meet up with the homie Jason. He got a gift for me, so we're gonna go pull up on him and then we're gonna get some Korean barbecue. And then I have no idea what else we have planned for the vlog, but let's go. Man, look at that, guys. New GT3. Sheesh, we got the M8 Grand Coupe. That shit hard, bro. We're like car spotting today on the freeway, but that shit fire, bro. Damn, we got the McLaren Artura. I've shot this McLaren before. That's so funny, guys. I shot that McLaren right there. Go check my photography page. You'll see that McLaren. Oh no, wait, I didn't post it, but I shot that McLaren before. That shit fire. Hey! Look who it is. We met up with the homie Jason, ran into him. I heard an FAX sound, and then I don't know why. Go up the street, I'm like, bro, it's Jason. Individual 6-speed manual with white interior. All right, guys, we finally made it down after like a 45-minute drive. Damn, that's a fire hoodie. Can I get one too? No way. That's the gift you wanted to give me? No way. Even though I don't own any BBSs, but
that means that you gotta actually get some now.
Does this mean like you giving me this because it's a sign? Yeah, that I need to get some BBSs on the Bro, this is fire. Thank you. Damn. I think I'm gonna wear it right now. Look, we'd be twinning right now. I was
like, look, let me just get the barbecue all on it. You know?
Yeah. Go, yo, guys, that's fire. Look at that. BBS is black with the red letters. Got the BBS logo right there. Damn, this shit nice, bro. From BBS. Look at that. Fire. It's good?
Yeah, I like it better that way.
Bro, I'm wearing this to all the meets, even though I don't got BBS wheels, but
that means you gotta get some though. That means you eventually, you know, we're for tuition, as they say.
It's
you know?
fire, huh?
Yeah, for sure. That's why I grabbed one.
Material, it's like nice, thin, but it has like warm inside.
It's chill.
Yeah, and then it's got the red logo BBSs on it.
Mm-hmm. It got something on the back, right?
Let's put those BBSs on my car.
Yeah, they need work, bro. Unless you want to be driving all the time and getting air. I got a pump in that trunk.
It's just fire, guys. How do we look? BBS hoodie. Shout out to the homie Jason. Sheesh, look who pulled up on us. Mr. Enrique. Damn.
Got here?
Yeah, we just got here.
I just passed by and I didn't see.
Yeah, no, we parked over here because there's no parking over there. You know what'd be pretty sick though? If he did the amber DRLs on this, because I think that would go with all the orange thing that he has going on. That shit would be pretty hard. I'm gonna tell him that right now. Mr. Enrique. What's up, G? How are you?
I called you early in the morning.
I know, bro.
You did not answer.
I know, guys. There was a car meet this morning. I didn't wake up on time.
Why?
I don't know.
You went out
lazy.
last night?
No. Actually, we went to a night meet, but
okay.
It was by my area, but I mean, I wasn't out too late.
Where's Jason?
Jason got me a gift.
Yeah?
Yeah, you want to see it?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
Even though... Open?
Wow.
Open it?
The BBS?
Yeah.
No way.
Even though I don't have BBSs.
Nice. Yes.
It's pretty cool.
Ready.
You smell it? Even though Jason wore it? All the malls are going to be packed. The restaurants, everything is going to be packed.
Just, you know, you gotta go during the day, see some real estate, you know.
Yeah.
A little shopping, get some shopping. I mean, that's what I mean.
Some Dior's?
Huh?
Some Dior?
No, fucking. You know what shit right now, bro.
Yes.
Car parts?
Well, this was fucking.
We need some car parts?
Came up and I was like, I know how BBS is.
Yeah.
You can sell out real quick, so I was like, I'll just grab it.
That shit is clean though. I like that hoodie a
Let's grab a
lot.
hoodie.
And we got the homie Jason's F80M3 Atlantis Blue on BBS's. The white interior with the blue strip on the steering wheel, carbon fiber, BBS LMs, OLED style taillights, OEM carbon spoiler with the paint matching Atlantis Blue on top. Crazy aggressive diffuser, super clean. Akrapovic exhaust, full exhaust, tuned, catless. One of the cleanest F80M3s out there. Carbon roof. I think when he got it, only had like 900 miles on it. So then he added the wheels, all that stuff. So when was the last time I saw you? There's no way I passed you on miles, bro.
Yeah, you did, bro.
I was below you. You were at 40. And I was like at 38. Bro, I'm at 42,000 right now. Bro, no, that's bad. Damn, I should have came in my daily, bro.
You're not driving the E92 as much. That's why. I told you. I said you're putting more miles on the wrong car.
No.
Yeah. You're putting more miles.
Bro, that's terrible.
You're putting more miles on the wrong car, bro. The wrong car.
Damn it, guys.
Hey.
When was the last time I saw you? We didn't see each other not too long ago, bro. No, it hasn't. No way.
Because I've had the X.
Oh, the last time I saw you was when we went to Korean barbecue. When we went, remember when we met up? When you had that problem with your E92? And then we went to Best Buy. We went to Jen.
Yeah,
that was a month ago. No. Yes, it was, bro. It was like a month ago when I saw you. Huh?
A month and a week, maybe like 40 days.
Bro, what? I was below you? That's terrible. Damn, guys. I gotta stop driving them. No way.
I'm driving the E92 more.
That's just proving that I'm driving this car way too much.
Dude.
Oh, bro.
I just washed both of them yesterday.
Dang. See, the E92, I haven't driven the... I pulled out the E92 last week, and that's because Nick wanted to drive it. But other than that, I hadn't driven the E92 since...
Nick do that to himself?
I know. The last time I had driven the E92 was since Halloween.
Yeah, sure.
That was October, November, yeah.
Alright,
Like over a month.
it's okay, man. Make your choice, bro. Choose wisely.
The E92 is at 100,000 something.
Yeah.
It's still on the 100K mark, flat. This one though, you had it ceramic coated, paint correct? Yeah. It looks insane, guys. Look at that. It's so clean you can literally lick it. Is the interior open? Door? Look at that.
Just play soccer.
Color matching pinstripes on the floor mats. Custom steering wheel, carbon with the LED lights on top. Color matched center trim piece. Alcantara on the boot shifter thing. Look at that. So freaking clean. Let me show you guys the engine bay real quick because this shit clean, bro.
It is.
Look at that. Damn.
Dirty.
It's still clean though. Look. Inventory intakes. Carbon cover here. Color matched oil cap. Charge pipes. Crazy. Insane.
Fake individual badge.
The replica? Yeah. Look at that. BMW individual Atlantis metallic. He saw it. Jason's like, what'd you guys do to your car? I'm like, turbo upgrade. He's like, yeah, right. I have a better chance asking Enrique what he did to his car than Kevin's. Nah, it's just hard, bro. All that is sick. I like that. All the orange. It's just dope.
And I'm waiting for my intake. So linen ones, they have like the little squares like this.
Oh, okay.
So it's gonna.
Are you gonna do orange on them too or no?
No, just
leave it carbon
fiber. Yeah.
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 That's just sick. Let's check out the interior real quick, guys. The interior is sick. Damn. Still smells like brand new, guys. I don't think he takes food in this car at all. You don't put no food in here, huh?
Yes, I do.
You do? You don't go to like
Cookies.
McDonald's or something?
Oh,
and put,
no. No.
or whatever. I don't know. I'm just saying like food, like
I would have
Chinese
McDonald's.
food or like, I don't know, Mexican
It's
food.
Years, me. It's been
DoorDash.
years.
Yeah, DoorDash.
The only thing that isn't
It's just
DoorDash
sick though.
is that-
That's how they start us off. Look, before we sat down, they already had this for us. Let's go. There we go. We got some rice papers, some jalapenos. We got the rice. Damn. And then we got the bulgogi. We got the steak. Chef KG in the building. I'll pay. You want to put this too? They're talking shit that I need tires.
No, don't worry, he's in LA. He'll learn.
Bro, look at that. I feel like the other side is worse. Look at the other side.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, homie. What the hell are you doing? How are you even here?
That's good. That's good.
That's
Hey,
good?
Not bad. I mean,
What
at least I don't see the wires or.
Nah, not yet, but they're coming out soon.
Waiting for?
I'm gonna get them next week.
Yeah, fuck. Hopefully you make it there. Because look at that,
I know
there's
they
no
are
fucking
bad.
tread on
I
the
know, it's
outside,
bad,
bro.
it's bad.
In fact, I live here on fucking.
No, not yet. Not on wires yet.
Oh, you're definitely.
Hey, bro, a
you're
Mexican guy,
fucking-
a Mexican shows up with a tire like that, but all flat. He goes, bro, you have a Formula 1 tire.
Slicks, G, they're slicks, they're slicks.
Hey, Kevin, good luck. That's all I gotta say to that shit, bro.
Nah, I will soon, I will.
Hopefully. Soon? What do you mean soon?
Jay's like, go right now.
You may be going
Look at
right
Enrique.
now.
Enrique's inspecting my tires over
The
here.
inside, I mean, your alignment is good,
Yeah,
or else you'll be eating the tire. It looks like you.
yeah. Look at you. What?
Wait, look at the back. You see all the tread on the inside and no tread on the outside. I don't know. Fuck, that's good alignment. Don't bust him, Enrique. It's all bad. Okay? It's all bad. Don't try to give him any grass to hold on to, bro. Just.
I'm gonna get them soon next week, I think. I'm gonna place the order.
Hey, look. Kudos to you trying to even make it to next week.
Actually, I'm not even gonna drive the car this coming week. It's gonna be raining, bro. There's no way I could drive this car in the rain.
I was worried about my tires going off. You know what I'm saying? Look, I got 3 bolts missing in the front left.
No, I'm already looking for
What?
the rear
The
wheel.
area.
1, 2. Where's the third? Oh, 3. Damn.
But only on this one.
Look what pulls up next to us, guys. A frozen black G82. Sick, bro. Fire. That's clean. That shit is sick. That's paint too. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.